to Dad's Dishes. Today we're going to be making a super easy and quick oat milk. You know, I tried oat milk one time before from a store-bought brand. Don't even remember what kind it was. Quite honestly, I didn't like it. I thought it was disgusting. It was watery and tasteless. I never tried it again until I found a recipe for oat pulp cookies, which we'll be making in a different video. And I needed to make some oat milk to do that. So I got this recipe from cleananddelicious.com. Thank you very much. And why pay $2, $3 or more per quart of oat milk at the store when you can make it for 39 cents a quart? Why pay 5 times as much and more per quart and maybe get added unnecessary ingredients and fillers? That's a rhetorical question, people. There's no answer except you shouldn't. So let's keep it simple. Let's keep it pure.
At the end of the video, we're gonna do a taste test versus milk versus oat milk.
Yes, this is a great milk for substituting things for, like, if you want a nice cold drink or putting in your cereal, but I wouldn't tend to use it for anything that involves heat, like coffee or lattes or baking. Remember, while it's milk-like, it doesn't have the same nutrition that milk has, so it has a little bit of protein, but of course no calcium, no vitamin D, so make sure you get those nutrients elsewhere in your diet. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a blender. You're going to need a 1-quart bottle or mason jar to store your finished product in. You're going to need a medium bowl for straining into. You're going to need 1 cup of regular old-fashioned oats. Make sure they are not the quick cook oats or the steel cut oats. That will make a slimier final milk, and that is not what you want. You need a nut milk bag, which is like a fine mesh straining bag, and then a little bit of salt, and then optional, if you like, add just a little bit of vanilla and maple syrup for some flavor enhancements.
Be sure to watch to the end to say which one I think is better. Remember, we're doing taste tests for oat milk versus real milk.
One other note, you're going to need, of course, water for this recipe, 4 cups or a quart, and it is important to have the water chilled in your refrigerator. This will help the oats from not cooking and will help keep them from sliming up when the heat of the blender starts increasing.
Write in the comments if it looks cool that there's a measure on this.
And now my trusty assistant will pour the oats into the blender.
We've got 1 cup of oats. I'm going to pour it in. You should like and subscribe.
Adding our chilled water to the 1 cup of oats.
It looks like it's just a bunch of oats rising. No, it doesn't.
So it blended for just about 20 seconds, no more than 20 seconds. You don't want the oat mixture to heat up. It'll start to get slimy, and that's definitely not something you want. So stop the blender after 20 seconds. So then you take your oat mixture, pour it through the nut milk bag into a large enough bowl so you won't have to worry about anything spilling over.
That kind of looks like a smoothie.
So as you strain this, you want to gently push it. You don't want to squeeze it. You don't want to put too much pressure on it. Otherwise, again, you're going to get more of a slimy and less of a creamy texture. So just gently take your time.
Gently.
You may have a little bit of oat pulp still left in your blender. Didn't make it all the way out. Just make sure your blender is clean, because we're going to return our liquid here, get a shot of that, to the blender to add our flavor enhancers. You don't want any of that grit getting back in there. So now we're just going to add our flavor enhancers, pinch of salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of maple syrup, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract if desired. Place in and blend for 10 seconds, no more. Again, you don't want it to start heating up and getting slimy, and that's it. We'll be done after that. And here's our oat pulp that you can save for something delicious like cookies, muffins, anything else you might make with oats.
So, here's the moment you have all been waiting for. The taste test. The red cup is real milk. And my dad's gonna pour in the milk after he shakes it. Which is, the oat milk is gonna be in the yellow cup.
First, the real milk.
Second, the oat milk. Not too bad. But I like the real milk better.
But the oat milk is still pretty good?
Yeah.
So there you have it, folks.
This is what I think of both of the kinds of milk.
You heard the 6-year-old. The oat milk is not too bad. It's never an exact taste to regular milk, but it's a very nice substitute and has a good creamy texture. Thanks to cleananddelicious.com for the recipe. Be sure to check out their webpage and YouTube channel.
I have some steps for you. 1. Like this video. 2. Subscribe and put the notifications on all. And 3. Share this video with everyone you know and click this thumbnail to see how we made the cookies with the oat pulp. Bye!